for us, we got this sound with creation time. We got this sound from the creation time. We got boomerang, the sound from the creation time, to match with the sound of the song and everything from the spiritual world. You know, came from the top, come down to the ground. But you couldn't just make it without the spiritual talking to you. He said, how do you make that? And how to make that, all the little small tone and everything in your mind, like us. They gave it to us, and we played with mouse and everything at the same time. You know, the sound of the didgeridoo and a drumstick will mix together, and the air from the didgeridoo will vaporize through the earth, where you'll be laying there, and go right through your feet, go all the way up to your back, up to your mind, and then come right down to your body inside and make you feel and get rid of all of it, the tightness of your body, all the badness of your body. He'll blow everything away. You cannot have any more headache or eye ache or backache or rheumatism and all that. This didgeridoo will bring you, the sound will fix all that up.
Sounds like the original vitamin D for didgeridoo.
Yeah. Original vitamin D, yeah, that's right. yeah. Now this is the way the didgeridoo, I gotta cross my leg anyway.
Sure.
But this one-man band, but if the one play the didgeridoo, another one sing, and that's really help out. But this is the sound will still bring the didgeridoo. You hear that sound? When you hear that, oh, Jesus, and that bright everywhere.
It's a brightening sound.
Yeah, brightening sound, yeah, and this way you go.
That's great.
And with that relief, all the pain and everything, that bloke will laying there and crook and everything, he'll get up and everyone will get up. And that make you happy. One day the didgeridoo sound encouraged everyone to come because the sound tracked them in.